also there. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashna, and today I'm gonna tell you how to get good marks in exam from my tips. And if you want to get your good marks in exam, please give me 25,000 likes and subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. So let's enjoy the video. So guys, my first tip is always study in a proper position at a proper place. Otherwise, you cannot concentrate on your studies. If you sit on like couches, sofas, on like these sleepy things, you will not able to concentrate on your studies. So always sit on in a proper position at a proper place. So guys, my second tip is organize your study area. So in this tip, I'm going to tell you how to organize your study area. Like you should take a pencil, pen, a sharpener and erasers, like these types of things on your table only. So my third tip is healthy snacks. If you eat junk food like chocolates and these types of things, your brain will harm. So always eat like almonds and these types of healthy things in your evenings, as because break is very necessary for our brain. So my fourth tip is maintain a schedule. Like in that you have to write here for like. I'm giving you example. I'm not telling you how to make it. Like study for 1 hour, play for 1 hour for your hobbies, and like these things you can maintain a schedule like this. So I make my schedules like this. So my sixth tip is take a nap. In night, you can take a nap for 8 to 9 hours, and in a day, if you feel sleepy, you can take for 30 minutes to 1 hour in the day. This will refresh your mind and increase your concentration. My seventh tip is, guys, if you have your syllabus, always mark your chapters that you have revised at least one time, so that you in your exam you can complete all your syllabus and nothing will be new for you. So my last tip is create a reward jar. This is my favorite tip in all the tips. So in this tip, we'll make some chits in that if you have done your syllabus, you can write what you want. Like I want some hair brands of my favorite toys, like making video of these things, and mark in this. This is example. I do this. If you want something new, you can.